I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Nmap 7, X, root or sudo access, and permission to scan your target. Once done, pick the simplest first command, sudo nmap sspnp target. This performs a stealth TCP/SYN for all ports without host discovery, revealing open ports quickly. Make sure to update your Nmap script database with sudo nmap script update db, so vulnerability scripts will run correctly when you proceed. Once you have open ports, run targeted vulnerability checks with nmap's nsc, sudo nmap svp22 80 443 script vuln target. This runs vulnerability-focused scripts against services found, SV fingerprints versions, so checks match known issues. If you want breadth, use script vuln or auth, or choose specific scripts like HTTP vuln CVE 2017-5638. You finish by saving artifacts. Sudo nmap sv script vuln omiskin target so you have XML and text for reporting. Then, review findings and verify each with manual testing. Vulnerability scripts can report false positives, so confirm before remediation. If a scan returns nothing, make sure you have root, check the target firewall or IPS, and rerun with PN to skip host discovery. If scripts fail, run them individually to isolate errors and update your NSC scripts database.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.